What a delicious stench. Yo, what's up, my sons who love Suds? Today's smoking segment is for my buds who love Nuggs. We're at New Belgium, trying the Hemperor. Far out. That is potent. You guys are familiar with New Belgium. They started in 1988 in a house just like this. And then they went in 91 from basement to commercial. And then in 2012, they became 100% employee owned. You're familiar with their beers, such as Day Blazer, their Voodoo Rangers, of course, Fat Tire. This right here is their Hemperor. It's 7% Golden Hemp Pale Ale. It's delicious. And it's good. Guys, from me to you, cheers. Thanks for all your love and support. Hit that like and subscribe button on Facebook, YouTube. Follow us for more outstanding content. And from me to you, and of course Titan. Cheers. Did you want to try some of this? Did you want to try it? It's really good. Yeah.